we've got ourselves a coolant leak on this car. We can tell because we've just backed it out, and we've got some coolant down here. I don't know if you can tell in the camera or not, but there's a bit of a green tinge, and when you have a look, it's not oily, it's watery, and that's coolant. And as we've had a look here under the bonnet, we can actually see some coolant sitting down there on top of the air conditioner radiator. See the bright green colour? So coolant can squirt, but we're looking to see where it's dripping from and what's going on. And there's a radiator pipe right here. This is the radiator under this BF II Ghia here, rubber hose coming up to a clamp. Now we've checked that, and putting your finger underneath like this, right where it joins, is what you're doing actually to see is it coming out of there, and that's actually totally dry. But this fitting has got another fitting on the bottom of it and a piece of metal coming out the bottom there. That's a different fitting, it's a bolt and this U-boat holding it all in place. That one, that's a different story. That's damp. As I wrap my finger around there, I can feel it. So what we're going to do that, if it had been here, it's just a matter of undo the clamp and twist that to get it loose, possibly a bit of Teflon tape or just whatever it takes to get the corrosion off, clean it up and then clamp that back on again. Make sure there's no splits in the rubber or anything like that. And this one's metal, so we're going to undo this bolt, take the clamp off, and we'll just move that in and out just to clean the corrosion out. There'll be a rubber O-ring in there probably, and then do it back up again, and that'll most likely then take up that leak. Bolt, it's just a 10mm is what it is, but whatever brand or type of car you got, these metal fittings will be sitting in on an O-ring. So we wind that out, and this bit here that's holding it in place, we'll take all that off and then do what we can just to get a bit of movement, because there's a bit of corrosion or a bit of built up coolant will be what's in there and what's opening up. So just get a little bit of movement, move it around and do it up again and see if that's enough. Okay, so we've got the clamp off and just started off with a lump of wood and then just gave this a little tap. It's only a little metal pipe. You can see it's now moving and coming out. Now what we need to do is just get a flush of water into there, or something in there to just help out that O-ring a little bit, and then we'll be able to do it all back up again and seal it. I'm actually going to spray a little bit of WD-40 ink, so I don't want to spray water inside there. There we go. And the WD-40 is going to help the corrosion that might be on the metal parts. And then this, it's just a matter of in and out, in and out, in and out.
You want a small hammer to...
No, the bigger one means I don't have to swing very hard. The big hammer looks like I'm damaging things, but it just means I can hit it really gentle with a very big face. All right, that's it. And then we're going to put that washer back on, put the bolt back on.
I'll try to do it that way.
And give it a test.
So good news, we put that clip back on, put the bolt back on, the 10mm bolt, and it sealed up perfectly. No leaks, took it for a run. A good idea is to wipe off any coolant that is sitting on top of the alternator like it is there now. A, so it doesn't dry there, but B, so when you take it for a test run, you know whether it's leaking freshly or not. But this worked really, really well. So for a coolant leak, just think about the O-ring that's in there. It just needs something to clean it out, and the WD-40 is excellent for cleaning it out and also lubricating the O-ring. So good luck as you fix yours.